We visited on a Saturday. There was a reception desk right in the driveway, and after checking in, we were given a tour guide speaker and toured the showroom. Finally, we went inside the factory and were able to see the pewter manufacturing process up close. Next, in a separate room, we were taught by a teacher and made a tin plate, and were given the plate and an apron made from it. After that, we went to the showroom where the products were sold and were able to purchase various items. I recommend this to people who like factory tours. Only letdown was the transfer, which turned out to be almost non-existent, and ended up taking my own transport to the venue. Other than that, this was an excellent activity and fun as well. The whole setup was extremely professional and engaging. The on-site team were all friendly and very accommodating. Lunch also was good. Great activity for all types of travelers. Really enjoyed this. Didn't realize it included a guided tour of the factory and saw pewter being made. The actual bowl making was good fun, and got to keep the bowl in a gift box and a really nice apron. Definitely worth doing. It was interesting and can complete within 30 minutes. Food at the cafe was nice, tour was succinct and interesting. Had a factory tour too. Recommend if you have time to head down in KL. Have free 100+2. The driver sent me a message via WhatsApp a few minutes before my selected pickup time to confirm my pickup. The driver, the speaker and the instructors are nice and friendly. The workshops contains everything that is worthy of learning: romantic face emoji, winking face emoji, smiling face with hearts emoji, clapping hands emoji, red heart emoji. The guides were clear and professional. The workshops were great. Hafiz was my guide during both workshops and he was very professional and kind. He helped me a lot. Wonderful and good experience. Staff were friendly, food is good. Kids enjoyed it. We get to have the apron and a pewter back home too. For the other experience, need an age of 15 to join though. We enjoyed our time doing this workshop. They even gave us certificates after completing the workshop, which was really nice. There was also a tour given before starting the workshop. Exceeded our expectations. We recommend this. Visited with 3 kids and we enjoyed ourselves very much. Started off with a tour by Ivan and then moved on with a workshop by Safwan. We came back with a handmade bowl, apron and certificates each. The free cotton candy near the gift shop was a nice touch. Mr. Asri was very accommodating and kind. He allowed us to go back for a few spots after the tour because we wanted to take more pictures. We also had a lot of fun with making a pewter bowl. The demonstrator was really clear in giving instructions and is also kind and motivating. You will feel proud after you finish it because they will give you the certificate as well and your own pewter bowl. My parents and I enjoyed it very much. You can also release your anger while making a pewter bowl. Jokes aside, it was also very knowledgeable. It was a great experience. It was a really helpful experience because they explained it in detail to the kids and let them see it for themselves. It was convenient because they picked me up in front of the Hotel Tilde, but it was a bit unchangeable because I had to go around here and there. But I had to accept it because I saved on Grab costs. The friendly guidance of the staff was impressive, and it was an experience that both children and adults could enjoy. The visitor tour commentary and exhibition were good, and the cool welcome drink and lunch from the daily menu were delicious. The experience of making a pewter plate was also fun, and the instructor was friendly. Had a free tour of the factory, which was very interesting to learn about pewter and its uses. Hard Knocks was enjoyable. It is very convenient. You can buy and use it anytime you want. You can make an appointment and register, and there is a special car to pick you up from the hotel, which saves you from queuing up. The price is favorable, and there are many choices. The history and development of tinware and tinware handmade experience. The staff are dedicated and sincere. The tin plate souvenirs are beautiful and textured, and our personalized handmade tinware production certificate is also specially printed. The set meal is not sloppy, it is very delicious, and I am very satisfied. Purchasing travel itineraries on Klook is a great and correct travel strategy.